Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, June 15th, and this is my full top-down analysis for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, we're on the monthly time frame for the full top-down analysis. I don't care if you are trading even like the 1 minute time frame or the minute time frames, you need to do the full top-down analysis at least once a week. Because if every single higher time frame is in an uptrend, and like the 4 hour time frame or 1 hour time frame breaks down, then you kind of need to assume that that move down is nothing more than a pullback within the higher time frame uptrend. So and that's why your higher roadmap time frames are so very important. So anyways, on the monthly time frame, I think gold is extremely clear on the higher time frames. This is extremely clearly a wave one. This is a corrective wave two. This is definitely all still a wave three. We are definitely still in a wave three on gold. And even if it does start a big pullback, the next move down is going to be a wave four and then a wave five, which it doesn't even have to do that now. It could potentially keep going up and make a wave four and a wave five later on. So we are definitely still actively in a wave three. Going down to the weekly time frame, this is where you can start to see the wave three trend. So we have the wave one of wave three, wave two of wave three, and then we have all higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. We have no break of structure, which tells me that we are definitely still in a wave three of wave three. We don't even have the wave four of wave three yet. We are definitely still in a wave three of wave three. So wave threes are supposed to be the biggest, strongest waves of a trend. So when you're in a wave three of wave three, that is why you're looking at such a strong trend. So going down to the daily time frame, this is where we're starting to look at the pullback that we recently had. Now I do have a couple options here. Option number one for me is that this has already made a three-way pullback and this is just going to keep on going up, making new all-time highs. And honestly, that may be the more likely scenario, especially with how strong gold is and the fact that we're definitely still in a wave three of wave three. So that's my first option. Option number two is that this is making like a either a 3-3-5 pattern or a 3-3-3 pattern. So 1, 2, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves up, and then either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down for for like a flat pattern, like a 3-3-5 pattern, or maybe it's a WXY and it turns into 1, 2, 3 waves down for a WXY. Definitely possible. And if we really are going into that wave four on the weekly time frame, then this definitely seems like the more likely scenario. But like I said, we're in a way very strong trend, and this thing could easily keep going up. So far, our daily is up, our weekly is up, and our 4 hour is up. So why would you go down to the shorter time frames and look for shorts? I really don't know. I definitely wouldn't. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. Now, even the 4 hour time frame is up. We have no break of structure down. We have no engulfing down. We have no Fibonacci bounce. There's no reason that whatsoever to say that this trend is over yet. And really, it looks like a 1, 2, 3 on this time frame too. So if it does something like this, pulls back and then goes up and then bounces from a Fibonacci level and then breaks structure, then okay, at that point I would justify looking for shorts. But that's not what we see. We see a uptrend and we see no signs of that uptrend being over. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, what would I be doing on the 1 hour time frame and below? I would be doing absolutely nothing but looking for 1, 2, 3 wave pullbacks to go long. I would say 1, 2, 3 waves down, go long. I would be looking at anything I see to the downside as potentially nothing more than a opportunity to go long with the higher time frame uptrend. At least until the 4 hour time frame gives us some sort of a breakdown, I would definitely be recommending nothing but longs in an uptrend, especially with what's going on, with the wars and stuff right now. Gold is a safe haven currency. A lot of money flows to gold when there's a lot of crazy stuff going on in the world, and there's really no reason to think that gold may not just go up and up and up and up. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.